Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with American Bank step by step clearly. To begin investing with American Bank, visit their official website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Complete the registration form with your personal information. Make sure to provide accurate details to ensure a smooth process. After registration, log in to your new account. Navigate to the investment section of the website. Review the available investment options presented by American Bank. This may include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Select the type of investment that aligns with your financial goals. Read the investment descriptions and risk factors carefully. Once you've made your choice, click on the Invest Now button. Enter the amount you wish to invest. Confirm your investment choice and review the terms. After verification, submit your investment order. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your transaction. Monitor your investments regularly through your account dashboard. Consider setting up alerts for significant market changes. Stay informed about market trends and American Bank's investment options. If you have questions, utilize the customer support services available. Continue to adapt your investment strategy as needed for optimal growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.